Hey guys, what is up? Me eating Sanderson again. Well, kind of. On GTA 5. So, I'm kind of alone right now. In my own world, after all. So, anyone there? So yeah. Today I'm going to be cruising through Los Santos. I'm going to go kill some few people. We'll have some fun. So, whoa. RPG. Kapuya! I got him. I was near death too. My rank is 101. I don't think you can see that there. What? Yeah. These aren't all my cars. Most of my cars are like blown up and crap. So I'm gonna get in my car and just drive away. Sure God, that guy's standing outside my apartment. I'm getting pissed. I knew it! Little flappy douchebag! Ace Rumor, you're a douche. Oh, you just crossed the line, buddy. Go ahead, kill me. Blow up my car, you will die at one point. Kapuya! Hello? So you're gonna go like touch a potato. Back in my apartment. Good. Apartment 31. Rubby done. Okay. So. I know I'm making a small video for a bit. Hey? I know I'm making a video for a bit. Wait. Yeah. So. Hello? Okay. It's a small world after all. Oh yes, plastic cups. Okay. I get freaking blown up again. I swear to God. Got inside my apartment. I swear to God, if he's sitting there. Ah! Yes! I didn't spawn right in front of my apartment. Ah! Suck it. Get out of here. Get. That's what you get, you loser. Go, go, go! Oh my God, 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 oh my God. What does the fox day. You are so retarded. That was close. Okay, that's right, Los Angeles Customs. Anus. What the hell's up with the car name? The Anus. No. I only came in there to see if I could sell them. I didn't know you couldn't. I forgot you couldn't. Forgot you couldn't sell LEGs. Thank God that guy's not following me. Ooh, bounty. Oh, somebody got the bounty. I thought it said somebody had a bounty. Rank 101, 101. Whoa, stupid pole, get out the way. Get out the way. Get out the way. Get out the way. Wait. Keep her going. Keep her going. Okay. Whoa. Come on. Come on. We have to get to the chopper. Wow. Because I'm actually going to a helicopter right now. Get it? Yeah. Yes! Terrorizer. Ew. Kapuya. Okay. I was gonna make a video with my friends, but they just got tired and they got offline, so. Yeah, just fly up. I fly up. Come on. We got to get to the chopper. Uh-oh. Is that guy following me? Okay, good. Pretty cereal. No. Okay, I'm not even gonna bother with that glitch. There's a glitch that you can get the back of the Titan, but I'm not gonna say it. I'm going to the Titan, but I'm not gonna say the glitch. All you guys are supposed to know is that this involves a Titan. That landing though. Get in, go to the chopper. Okay, come on, go, you stupid freak. Go. Oh, no, para there, pull it up. Keep her going. Yes. Jum bum 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 bum. Banana bush. No. Bruh. Yeah, Ace, you're too late, bud. Sorry. Banana bus. Oh my god, I'm so bored. Like, I wish I had that thing there where you could play with other people while you can hear them on the camera. Like Banos and like Little Gaming Lemon and like a whole bunch of other people. Go. Yes. Land it. Damn you, GTA. Well, that's all for this video, guys. Goodbye.